welcome back to my channel. So I often get asked questions from you guys who are really keen to start building up an investment portfolio, particularly around shares, and most importantly, most excitingly, start building passive income. And the popular question that I get asked all the time is, how do I know what stocks to pick? How do I know what companies to be buying? Now, this is a question that can really overwhelm a lot of people, and I actually want to tell you, you're overcomplicating things. You do not need to be worrying about what stocks to pick, when to be buying them. You can actually outsource this to professionals who do this for a living and have a fantastic proven and long-term proven track record. Now, last Money Monday, I made a video for you where I got to interview one of the key directors from a listed investment company called Whitefield. Whitefield is a stock that I own both personally in my investment portfolio and in the $1,000 project share portfolio, and in fact through my superannuation. Now, Whitefield, as I said, is a listed investment company, and they take money on behalf of other people and they invest it, and they buy and build share portfolios based purely around Australian industrial companies. These are companies that you would see and deal with that make products and services every day, and they have an incredible track record. They still experience market volatility, but they're in it for the long run, and they take a very much a buy and hold approach where they constantly grow the portfolio, but more importantly, they constantly try and grow the dividends, which is your passive income. When you invest in a company like a listed investment company such as Whitefield, whether you're investing your first $1,000 or your first $10,000, that money, when you buy a stock such as Westfield as a listed investment company, or even an ETF, an exchange traded fund, actually represents an investment up to 20, 30, 40, even 50 different companies. And Angus shared with us, when you invest in Whitefield, you're actually picking up between 60 to 160 different companies. And they actually share with you on the Whitefield website what top 20 companies that you are buying when you buy Whitefield listed investment stock. Now, as you guys know, I'm very much a buy and hold investor myself. I'm not interested in chasing capital growth. I'm interested in chasing dividends, because dividends are passive income, and that's what I want to grow over time. So for me, being a high growth investor, having a long-term investment time frame, this type of investment is perfect for me. And it means that my money that I invest is immediately diversified, and I'm not wasting too much of my precious time looking at stocks and balance sheets and profit and loss statements and reading analyst reports and company research reports. I'm just simply getting on with the job of building and buying long-term passive income streams. So I've actually logged into my personal share portfolio. Now, I'm not recommending this particular platform necessarily. It just works for me, and it's linked to my Qantas frequent flyer account. Every time I buy shares, I'm actually earning frequent flyer points along the same way, and the brokerage is pretty competitive, and I really like the research here. All right, this is how quick and easy it is to buy and build a diversified share portfolio. Now, anyone can open up an online share trading account, and there's lots of different companies that do this, but essentially I just go into my portfolio, I click trade, I go down to buy, because remember, we're always buying and building long-term passive income streams. I enter in the stock code. For Whitefield, the code is WHF, and it comes up there to double check that I'm selecting the correct stock. Now, I have about $1,200, or technically $1,220, ready to invest right now, so I'm really excited. The stock up here is trading at about $4.43, which is actually a little bit of a discount at the moment. I would go $1,220 minus roughly $20 for brokerage, divided by $4.43 equals 270. That means I can potentially pick up 270 units in Whitefield. I'm actually going to slightly lower it to include my brokerage costs. So I'm going to put through here 268 units, and I'm going to select at the market. I'm not really interested in trying to get a slight discount on this stock because it's not particularly volatile. I'm just happy to do that. You can see here my total order comes to $1,207.19, and there is including the brokerage there. So I have spent just under my budget of $1,220. So I go in and I enter in my PIN and I hit place order. That has been sent to the ASX. I should get an email through within a couple of minutes to say that my order's been through, and because I've selected at the market, I can pretty much comfortably know that that order will go through. Essentially, within literally less than 2 minutes, I have already built a diversified share portfolio. Now that $1,200, if I use an estimated dividend return of 5%, just dividend, the income, this $1,200 that I've just invested represents a growing passive income stream of $60 a year. So if I can keep doing this on a regular basis, that $60 a year is going to get bigger and bigger and grow over the long run and help significantly contribute to my long-term passive income streams. All right, so there you go. You can see a diversified share portfolio. And because this money is invested in over 60 different companies, I can actually, if I really wanted to, just continue on buying Whitefield or another particular listed investment company that I like. And I know that my money is properly diversified. And when you diversify, it's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. You're helping reduce your long-term investment risk. Yes, I'll experience market volatility over the short to medium term, but this is aligned to my long-term wealth creation goals. All right, guys, now that you can see how easy this is, why don't you have a go at doing it for yourself? Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you next week for more Money Monday.